Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and co-founder of Blue Book MKE and creator of the Let's Level Up Your Business 5-Day Challenge. In today's video, this is a quick video, I want to talk about the success that one of my coaching clients just had yesterday. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what he was going through and how I told him to just stick with it. Just stick with it and don't be shifty. Just follow the plan that I give you and you will have success. So now let's just talk about it. Client came to me. You know I love my 3 boxes here. I love my 3 boxes. Client came to me and he said, Steve, I don't have any leads. I don't have any leads. I need leads so I can grow my business. And I said, okay, I can coach you on how to solve that problem. So I taught him how to run ads. I said, you got to have a winning ad. If you don't have a winning ad, you're not even going to get to the other side over here. And then, so I said, okay, we're going to solve that problem. Problem number 1 was solved. It took about 2 days. Well, probably about 3 days. We had to do 1, 2, I think we did 4 different ads. And then we found that winning ad. And then we got those leads over to him and we put them through the auto responder process. Put them through the autoresponder process. The reason why we do that is so we can let the lead know what your business is about, let them get to know you, because you know people don't buy from people unless they know, like, and trust them. So this is like the know, like, and trust process, because you can't sit there and be on the phone with them. So now, with his leads, he was instructed to call, because his business is a service business. So I said, I want you to call and I want you to text to get the people on the phone. And I remember on the Friday previous to today, he had called me and he said, you know, I'm making all these calls. I spent 6 hours calling and texting, and nobody answered the phone. Nobody out of all the leads he got. And I said, just keep pushing forward. I said that was great. What I told him was that let's focus on when you, because no one answered, you know, you did do the calling, so that's a win. And I said, what did you say in the text? Did you follow what I told you to say in the text? Yes. And I said, okay, that's a win. So I said, just keep pushing, because you've won. You got 3 wins. So now all we got to do is just get some people to buy from you. And he was like, man, I'm getting frustrated. I don't know what to do. I got to turn this thing around. I was like, it's going to work. It's going to work. Because the reason why I know it's going to work is because I've done it for 4 different businesses, and the process works. You just got to do it. Let me tell you something before I go on with this. This is the way it was when I was in the military. I was in the Army right out of high school, and this is how they said for the military. They would say you have 4 choices. You're going to do it, you're going to do it, you're going to do it, and you're going to do it. So they was like, okay, the drill sergeant would say, which one of the choices do you want to take out of the 4? And it was like, well, that's only the same choice, 4 different, 4, you said it 4 times, but the same choice. And he said, okay, so you understand what you got to do. That means, so I put that into my coaching. It's like, you're going to do it, because if you don't do it, you're quitting. That's what the drill sergeant was telling me. If you don't do it, you're quitting. That's what he wanted. He said it 4 times so I would understand. Like, if he just said it 1 time and said you put 1 against quitting, it's easy to quit. So he said it 4 times. So it was like, you're going to do it, 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 or quit. And it just does something to the brain. It's like, okay, I'm going to do it. And I did it. And I told him, you're going to do it. Not as strong as the way that the drill sergeant did to me, but I said, you're going to do it. So he had the win. This here did its process, and then all of a sudden, and this is his sales page. And then all of a sudden, yesterday, he had 3 sales. The 3 sales to him is worth, I would say about $3,000. $3,000 in sales is what he had. So that's what I'm saying is like some of the times when people are about to make it over that mountain, you know, and it's because we live in this fast food type society, and it's fast, get rich quick, all of this stuff. No one wants to do the work. Everybody wants to make easy money, and all you have to do is put in the work. And this is a very simple process. Like, I think that one of the things that when my clients look at this, they're like, it's too simple. If all I have to do is follow that, it's too simple. When it's really, there's a lot of little details in between all of this, but I put it together to where it's very simple so people can get to making money. And one of the things among a lot of things that he said to me was that he really appreciated that I did not make him go and buy other things. That I was just like, just stay in this box. I always tell people, if your ads are not working, if your ads don't work, let me bring this up here. If your ads are not working, stay in this box. Stay there. Don't go anywhere else. And you might be saying, well, I'm spending money. Stay there, because what I told him was that once you get your ads working, and even if you're not closing sales, you are building up people that are interested in your product or service, and that over time, some of those people will end up buying. So once we got the ad, we stayed in the box, we made the different ads, we found the winner, we got over here, and I said, keep going. Even though you're not making sales yet, people are not answering, keep this going and work over here. Let's work on how do we get more people on the phone and answering. What do we need to say? It's always different for different types of businesses. Let's keep this working. I don't even know if he really knows the value of what happened here, is that the autoresponder was continually sending out messages to those leads. So they was like, okay, I'm ready to do what you had to offer. And then when he called, it was like, okay, I'm ready to listen to you now. So that's like another employee working for you. And then all of a sudden, he used the scripting that we helped him put together, and he made those 3 sales, and that's worth $3,000. I mean, what else can I say? I mean, this is very good success. So that's not bad for spending those 6 hours of hard work right there to get to this. And now what he's doing, because he owns other businesses, now that he has the formula down, he's passing this over to a sales rep. So now he'll be able to just say, okay, I want to make more ads to get more leads, because my sales rep can sit there and call and text for all of those hours. So now instead of making $3,000, maybe I have 2 reps and I'm going to make $6,000 a day. Maybe I'm going to make $10,000 a day or $10,000 a week, whatever it's going to be. But now he has a system in place that he can pass over to sales reps. That's exactly what I did with my company. It's like I put the system in place. I did all of this stuff here just so I would have the experience of what it's going to be like. So when I train my reps, I'm like, hey, this is what you're going to go through. This is what you need to say. I know that this works because it's worked for me. So you can't come to me and say, hey, this stuff don't work. And I'm like, hey, I know it works because I've been able to make money doing it. I'm just passing down to you what works. And I've done that with every one of my businesses. So thank you for your time. I just wanted to get this over to you. He's going to be making a testimonial very soon. Please like this video. Please comment. I'm always interested in seeing how I can help small business owners. It doesn't matter if you have an online business or a storefront business. I've worked with really over 7,000 different types of businesses. well, 7,000 businesses. Some of them were the same, but I've worked with furniture stores, cell phone stores, towing companies, junk car buying companies, home care, hair shops, barber shops, corner stores, big grocery stores, um, bidding companies or auction companies, distributors, all types. I mean, I've worked with all of them, and I've seen and auto repair among just a whole bunch of different ones over the last 33 years. So I know what the successful ones did and what the successful ones didn't. And one of the things that the ones that are succeeding right now is that they've changed to the way that people want to get information to them. And that's what my specialty is showing businesses how they can translate or transition from doing everything offline and be able to start to advertise online. There's not a lot of companies that really know how to do it without just blowing your money. I'll show you how you can get results from it. So below this video has a link to my Let's Level Up Your Business 5-day challenge. You can go there, look at what that's all about. I show you how to generate more leads, generate more traffic to your store, more traffic to your website, how to close sales, how to sell, not how to talk people into stuff, how to show people what you had to offer is what they're looking for, to where they'll just say, hey, I want to just pay you to do it because you're the right, I think that you're the right person for what I've been looking for. I do that over a 5-day period, 3 live days, like looking over my shoulder days, instruction, and 2 homework days. I guarantee by the end of that, you'll know how to generate leads and or generate traffic to your store, and how to close out more customers so you can make more money with your business. Go below. Whenever you get on the list, it'll let you know when the next class is coming up. And then, we would love to have you in that. If you need consulting services where you just want to, have something put together for your business, depending on what business you're in, we have a different fee base, but we can help you with that. Or if you just need a consulting where you just want to talk to me for 1 hour, we can, discuss what's going on with your business, and I can tell you how we can make that, the changes that I believe would work for your business. So thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and co-founder of Blue Book MKE and the creator of the Let's Level Up Your Business 5-day challenge.